Hey guys, it's Allison. So today, guess what the video is? It's the title. Anyways, the reason why you clicked on this video is probably you want to see a review and like a little tutorial on the Morphe 25L palette. And this is the inspiration for Pride Month because it's Pride Month. June is Pride Month. I think I just like repeated that like 3 times, but it's fine. But yeah, and Morphe, oh my god, it's already dirty. I already dirtied the palette. But Morphe is donating all the proceeds, 100% of the proceeds to the Trevor Project. And also this palette is only 20 bucks for 25, oh, I almost dropped it. for 25 eyeshadows. And where's the plastic? Oh, the plastic's right there. And it also comes with a mirror, which is really good because none of the Morphe palettes have mirrors. And then it also comes with a brush set, which is $28. And I didn't get that because I already have a lot of brushes from Morphe, so I'm good with brushes for now. And right now, when I check the website, it is sold out. These are the colors. I kind of messed them up already, but it's fine. If you want to see my thoughts and how I did this makeup look and all the stuff, swatches, everything like that, just keep on watching. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, and turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And let's get started. So this is a palette. This is the Morphe 25L palette. This is the box that it comes in, and you pull it out, and it comes with this bubble wrap, I guess you can say. And this is how the palette looks like. It's really pretty. It's rainbowish, obviously. And then here is the inside. It's super pretty. It has a mirror inside. Perfect. I think I'm gonna do one side like reddish orangish and the other side like green, yellowish, bluish kind of thing. So that's how that's what I'm thinking of doing. It comes with this protective plastic. So I'm gonna start off with the color Sunlight, and it's right here. And I'm just gonna use one of these Morphe brushes that I have. By the way, it came with brushes as well. It was $28, but I didn't really want the brushes since I have enough brushes. So I just got the palette, and the palette is $20. I think I said that in the beginning. But yeah, it has fallout, but it's fine for me. I don't know how to do my eyeshadow, guys, so bear with me because I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. So that's how the yellow looks. I don't know if you can see. I gotta stop saying that. I know it autofocuses now. I think next I'm gonna use the color Nature, which is a green color. And I'm just gonna do that after that color. Okay, this one is more vibrant to me. I don't know. I'm gonna use the color Art, and it's a lightish blue shade, and then I'm probably gonna use one of the darker blues. So that's how the, I am so bad at this, guys. By the way, I did my eyebrows and I put concealer, so this should be more vibrant than it looks. I'm gonna use the color Truth and go, oh, I think I put it on. Oops. And on the inner corner. I'm gonna figure something out, but that's how that looks so far. I'm just gonna do the other side Gonna use Sunlight again. I'm gonna use an orange shade, which is called Pride. Okay, this side is so much better if you go deep into the color and you actually, like, you know, maneuver it around. You're gonna get the desired color you want. And then the red color, which is Life. So this is how the colors look. I'm gonna try to fix the purple side. I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put concealer and try to make like an eyeliner kind of thing. I don't know. So it looks like that. So we're gonna put white on top of that to try out the white color. So I'm gonna use my fingers and I'm gonna go into Milk and Liberation on the palette. So they're this color and this color. And go where I put the concealer. So this is how it looks. It's pretty decent for the first time using this palette. And I'm not used to like doing all this crazy look, so it's pretty decent. So this is the finished look. My lashes are probably crooked, but it's fine. But that's this. So now we're gonna move on to, like, I guess, swatches of all the colors in the palette, and then on how I feel, my final thoughts. And yeah, let's move on. So we're gonna do swatches. Oh my god, there's powder all over my palette already. Fine. Okay. So, kind of like dug into this. No, not really. Okay. So the first color is Milk. You probably won't see this. I'm gonna put this all up on my arm. So I'm just gonna put it on my arm and then show you. This is Milk. These are gonna be weird poses, guys, but it's fine. This is Stonewall. It's like a gold shimmery shade. I don't know if you guys see it. Yeah, it's right there. And then we have Sunlight, which is the yellow color. Then we have Healing, which is a gold shimmery shade, which is more vibrant than the last one. Then there's Thrive, which is like the green shade, like a green limeish shade. So that's that. Then there's Pride, which is the orange that I used. Then there's Culture, which is a very pretty pink shimmery shade. Then there's Life that I used on my eyes, like this red color. Then there is Activism, which is a green shimmery shade. That's how it looks. Then there's Nature, the one that I used, and it's just a regular green shade. Then there's Heart, which is a pretty pink shade. It's right here. Then there's #Love Wins, and that's up there. Then there's Sexuality. Oh my god, should have used this color. This is a very pretty color, guys. Should have done the swatches first. Then there's Make Magic, which is a blue shimmery shade. Oh my god, these colors are pretty. They're all up on my arm. Next is Art, which is this color, that's what I use for my lid. I just went kind of like lightish. Then there's 1978, and it's a blue iridescent kind of color up here. Then there's SF. Oh my god, this color is so pretty. It's a pink shimmery shade. Then there's Truth, and it's just this purple shade. Then there's Peace. It's this blue shade. Then this is Peace. Oh my god, that's such a pretty shade. Then there is Parade. That's Parade. Then there is the Libertarian, which is, oh, it's mixed with the pink, but you get the gist. It's like right next to that. Then there's Rise Up, which is a dark blue shade, which is right there. Then there's Harmony, which is right next to that. And then Gilbert, which is like a purple dark color. And then lastly is NYC, which is the black color. That one is not that vibrant, as you can see. It's right here on my arm. But those are all the colors, as you can see. Now we are gonna move to my final thoughts. I'm not gonna wipe it off. Just gonna leave it on for the rest of the video. That's cute or whatever. So, how I feel about the palette. Now my fridge wants to make noise. So my hand is a mess, as you can see. How I feel about the palette? Okay, so first, how I was feeling in the beginning when I was putting it on, I was just like, oh no, these are not vibrant colors at all. Because personally, me, don't know how to put on eyeshadow that much. But as you can see, I did something, you know, I'm proud of myself. But at the end of it, I think it was just me, because I think my brushes, because like I feel like I didn't dip into them as much. So like if you dipped into them a lot, then you can actually make it vibrant like this side is. And actually, like when you like swipe it on, as you can see, it's pretty vibrant, so it's really pretty. I like how there's a shade range of like different colors of like the rainbow or whatever. And I like how it's very like affordable. Like $20 is very affordable. I think that's really good for a palette, and it is going to a good cause, so that's a plus. And I think in general, like, it's a very good palette. I love these colors. I gotta use more of these colors. I'm probably gonna use more of these brighter colors to see what I could do. But this is what I did for Pride Month. So yeah, that is how it turned out. So all in all, I think the packaging, everything, 5 stars out of 5, you know. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, and turn on post notifications to get an update every time I do a new video. And see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.